What happens after your first $100,000? Most people would feel like they've made it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. That's exactly where most people quietly fall behind. Because hitting $100,000 doesn't make you rich, it just exposes what you do next. And in this video, you're going to see the difference between people who stay stuck at 100,000 and those who turn it into a million. So pay close attention, because one small decision here can change your entire financial future. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you've just crossed that $100,000 mark. Years of saving, skipping things you wanted, being disciplined when others weren't, and finally, you did it. Now let me ask you something. What would you do next? Would you relax a little? Upgrade your lifestyle? Maybe you reward yourself? That's exactly what most people do. And that's exactly where things start going wrong. There's a silent trap waiting right after 100,000. It's called comfort. You feel safe, you feel ahead, you feel like you can finally breathe. And slowly, without realizing it, you stop pushing. Your savings slow down, your investments become random, and your lifestyle starts creeping up. A better phone, a better car, a bigger house. Nothing extreme, just small upgrades. But here's the problem. Those small upgrades don't feel expensive until they become permanent, and suddenly, the money that could have built your future is now funding your comfort. Now let's look at a different person. Same 100,000, same starting point, but a completely different mindset. Instead of relaxing, they get more serious. Not stressed, not obsessed, just focused. They understand something most people don't. 100,000 is not success, it's leverage. It's the point where money can finally start working for you. Before this, you were doing all the work. Now, your money can join the game, and smart people take full advantage of this moment. Let me show you something powerful. At the beginning, saving feels slow, painfully slow. Every dollar takes effort. But after 100,000, the rules start to change. Now imagine your money growing at around 10% per year. That means your 100,000 could become 110,000 without you doing anything. Next year it grows again, but this time you're earning on a bigger number. And then again, and again. This is compounding, and this is where things start to feel different. Not exciting at first, but quietly powerful, like a snowball rolling downhill. Slow in the beginning, but impossible to stop later. Here's the part most people miss. Compounding only works if you stay in the game, and most people don't. They interrupt it, they pull money out, they stop investing, they chase quick wins, or worse, they get distracted. And every time they do that, they reset the snowball, back to zero momentum. Smart people protect momentum. They treat it like something fragile, something valuable, because they know momentum is what turns effort into results. So instead of asking, how much can I spend now? They ask, how can I keep this growing? That one question changes everything. Let's make this real. Two friends, both reach 100,000 at the same time. The first one decides to enjoy life more, spends a bit extra each month, invests occasionally, nothing too serious. The second keeps investing consistently, month after month. No drama, no big risks, just discipline. 10 years later, the first person might have 150,000, maybe 200,000. The second, they're approaching or even crossing 1 million. Same starting line, different mindset. That's it. Here's a powerful truth most people don't want to hear. Your lifestyle grows faster than your income, unless you control it. And if you lose control at 100,000, you delay your freedom by years, maybe decades. So what exactly do smart people do after 100,000? First, they don't celebrate too early. They acknowledge the milestone, but they don't let it slow them down, because they know this is just the beginning. Second, they shift from saving to investing. Saving got them here. Investing takes them further. They start putting money into assets that grow, stocks, index funds, businesses, things that work even when they don't. Third, they stay consistent. Not perfect, not aggressive, just consistent. Because they understand wealth is not built in big moments, it's built in small actions repeated over time. And fourth, they think long-term. While others think about next month, they think about the next 10, 20, 30 years. They stop chasing fast money and start building real money. Let me ask you something again. If you had $100,000 right now, would you treat it like a reward or a responsibility? Because that answer will decide your future. Remember this, 100,000 won't change your life, but what you do after it will. And this, wealth is not built by earning more, but by keeping and growing what you earn. So if you're close to 100,000 or already there, don't fall into the comfort trap. Don't slow down. Don't get distracted, because this is the phase where everything compounds. Not just your money, but your habits, your discipline, your decisions. And the scary part? Most people never realize they made the wrong move until years have passed, until they look back and think, I had a chance and I wasted it. Don't let that be you. Use this moment. Stay focused, keep building, keep investing, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because one day you won't just have 100,000, you'll have options, freedom, control over your time, and that's the real goal. If this made you pause even for a second, that means you're thinking differently already. Most people won't. They'll watch, feel motivated, and then go back to the same habits. Don't be that person. Take one small step today. Learn something, invest something, do something. Because years from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret this moment. And if you want more simple, real content like this, make sure you subscribe, because the next video might be exactly what you need to hear.